Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about mini project on Palantir Foundry. So this is the one of the requirement I have taken. So at the moment you can see in my screen. So I do have 3 datasets. So just let me show you the requirement. So I do have the requirement of something like that. Let's understand first about the scenarios. So you are working for a fictional streaming company called XYZ. You have been asked to build an enterprise enriched dataset that properly handles subscription plan pricing change over the time. You have 3 datasets, that is subscribers, plans with price history and subscription. Basically your task is to clean, normalize, join the dataset, handle historical pricing changes, means SCD type, and produce 2 summary reporting table using Foundry. So this is only Foundry related stuff we are trying to do is. So what will be the task? So here it is mentioned everything. Okay, so like subscribers, plans, subscriptions. So how you have to filter what what kind of basically transformation cleaning we need to do it, and here slowly changing dimensional and data enrichment, and there will be data joining. Okay, so no worries, when you will be working with me, so will help you to make the changes or will help you to create this mini project. Okay, so at the moment if you see, so this is the one of the dashboard I have created into the workshop application. So first let's understand about our file structure and all things. So I have not made that much file folder structure and all things, but yeah, if you'll see, this is the my pipeline, which the code will being written in the PySpark code repository basically, and these are the files and ontology object, and then I have created the action types and all things. So that is perfectly fine. So this is the last nothing but a workshop model basically. So now let's come to the pipeline basically. So at the moment I have inserted my dataset into the code repo. So in this I have taken my plans, subscription and subscribers, both the tables, dataset you can say it, and then after I have cleaning, and then after I have done the subscription enrichment and subscriber enrichment, and then after I have created after joining and all, just I have created the monthly revenue. Same thing I have shown you into this after taking the input file into that. So at the moment you can see, so this is the code, it is being written into the PySpark. So we are utilizing code repository for writing the our code. So if you wanted, you can utilize pipeline builder, low code to no code also for cleaning and transformations your data, but I have used this just because if you will practice in this, so it will help you a lot. So we are providing the trainings as well as job support, and we are helping to getting certified also. So we are open with the trainings. If you need one-on-one session or group sessions, so we are actually providing, and I have trained over 300 people in the Palantir Foundry. And this is the mini project I wanted to show you so that you can understand what kind of the quality of trainings we are providing. So at the moment, so this is something I wanted to show you. If you wanted to connect with us, you can WhatsApp me on my number. I'll be providing you in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.